Okay, YouTube, these are my two newest paper guns I made. The shotgun, which is life-sized, and my M14, which is also life-sized. So let's start with the M14. This is the gun. It has the holes I did with permanent marker. My name, the name of the gun, the scope, which is magnifying, but it's not the best. You can see them there. So this is the gun itself. I like this stock. It's pretty droopy though. That's what's not good about it. It has a movable clip. It just fell out. Looks like this. And this is the gun itself. So moving on to the shotgun. It's life-sized. I like the stock. Once again, my name and the name of the gun. It's working pump. Trigger guard. And aim. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.